Hi, this is Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and happy May. You know, usually at this time I feel like I'm saying happy May. Oh, the sun is out, the birds are chirping, it's so warm. But if you live in the Chicagoland area, you will know that you probably had to wear your parka when you went outside today. So happy May regardless. So I hope that you're watching this video somewhere warm, somewhere happy, somewhere perky. And then, you know, send me that positive vibe and send me the heat. I want the heat because it's cold here. All right. So speaking of heat, thank you to BERNINA of America, because there are some hot deals for May. And we're also coming upon Mother's Day, so it might be time to treat that special mom in your life, or maybe yourself, to a new partner in your sewing room. So what's going on right now is the trade-in sale. And the trade-in sale is pretty cool. So it's kind of like you can bring in that nasty old thing you have in your closet and you can trade it in for a new BERNINA, $999 and up. Why is that cool? Because that nasty thing in your closet might be worth $25. But if you bring a trade-in, you're getting 25% off the MSRP on a new BERNINA. And that's a pretty awesome price, especially, you know, the higher up the machines go, the better the savings, right? So now we're looking at the BERNINA 335s, the 325s, the 4 series, the 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, 8 series. It all qualifies, including that new coveted BERNINA 770 Quilters Edition Plus, the one with the larger screen, the presser foot recognition, and the Smart Drive technology embroidery module. That module, you know, the really neat thing about that module is it goes 55% faster than the regular module did, and it is quiet, and the stitching is just, I mean, the BERNINA modules were really nice before and did really wonderful stitching, but this thing is just unbelievable. Now, for some of you that have asked about the SDT modules, well, we use them now in all of our embroidery videos. So what you're probably not realizing is how awesome they are, because I speed up the video and everything, so it always seems like we're stitching fast, but it does make it possible for us to get a lot more embroidery completed. And I'm working on a peasant blouse right now from the Sue Pruitt project, or Suki Sews project, that's on the bernina.com website. And that whole sleeve, like, it stitched out in no time. So that is actually on sale. It's a new product, but you can trade in your old embroidery module. As long as it's a 7 series or an 8 series module, you can trade it in. And not only are you gonna get that module for $1,000 off, but you're also gonna be able to get a free maxi hoop, which is, you know, come on, that's an amazing thing. So that is one thing. So now what did we cover? We covered the fact that all of the machines $999 and up qualify for that guaranteed trade when you bring in the old weird thing in a box. And then we covered about the trade-in for your embroidery module. Do you have an 830? Remember the 830 when it was introduced in Kansas City? And I don't know, what year was that? 2008? That 830 with the Scriptina font on the front of the machine. It's got a little bit different operating system. It looks similar to the 880, but there's a lot of new things going on inside an 880 Plus. Well, if you have one of those, or you have an 820, that was the one that didn't embroider but looked like it had everything else, then if you have a 780, or you have, I think I might have covered everything, but if you have one of those machines, I've got to open this mailer because I can't even remember. I'm not off book for this, okay? If you get an 880 Plus and you're trading in an 830, an 820, or a 780, you're going to save $6,500. $6,500 off the MSRP on a BERNINA 880 Plus. You could also get, and that includes the 880 Crystal Edition, by the way, like the one that's right behind me. You can also, if you just didn't want to go quite up to the 880, and I don't know why on earth you would ever want to do that, but just in case, the 790, you can trade in an 830, an 820, or a 780, and you save $4,500. I know. Then let's say, okay, you want that 770. You want that 770 plus special edition. So with the trade-in of an 820 or a 750, you're going to save $2,000. So we have all of this spelled out on our website, BERNINAofNaperville.com, but I just wanted to let you know that. So now, you don't have an 8 series machine to trade in. You don't have a sewing machine to trade in. You know, I got a lot of old machines there in the back. And you know what? I don't even want your old weird thing in the closet. You know what I want? I want a waffle maker. I want a Flowbee. I want a cake pop maker or a bread machine. Maybe, I don't know, do they still make ice crushers? How about an ice crusher? Garbage disposal, espresso maker, a Nescafe. I don't know, but you can bring me anything. And that is the Bernina of Naperville sweetening the pot for you, especially if you're getting a Bernina long arm, because I don't know where we would hold a trade-in long arm. So you know what? Bring me your little Betsy, what is it? The Betsy Ross Easy Bake Oven? Was it a Betsy Ross? No. Betty Crocker. Bring me your Betty Crocker Easy Bake Oven and you'll get 25% off a long arm. If somebody does that, I will share it on social media.
No, but I'll take the Holly Hobby oven.
Oh, another thing is Linda would really like a Holly Hobby oven and a little kid's kitchen playset. How about some hot rollers? Like some hot rollers. How about that Dyson hair curler? That seems pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, if you want to see more videos that are not like this one that actually teach you a few things, don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville. And there you can like, comment, and subscribe and learn how to use that new Bernina. Hey.
What?
Don't hang up. Don't go away. I have one more thing to say. You might be concerned about how you might be able to pay for this. Bernina is having 0% 60-month interest. So what this means is that you can take the amount that it's going to cost to buy this machine and divide it by 60 months because you have 60 equal payments. Now, you can click into the description of this video for the legal schmeagle part of this, but I just didn't want to let you hang up or click the little off button until I told you about the special financing. You're welcome.